All right, I have the Tyger soft trifold truck bed cover. Just want to do a quick review, go over some of the features and answer some questions that you might have about it. Just one thing to note, you want to make sure that you do get the one that's specific to your vehicle when you order it, just to make sure that you get a proper fit, because they do sell different models. Let's go ahead and get the tailgate open so I can give you a look inside and show you how it clamps onto the truck. All right, I got the tailgate open. Just wanted to show you guys how it attaches here with these clasps. You do have three settings or spots to install it on, just depending on how far in or out your lip on your truck bed goes. And then to clamp it on, you just clamp it down like that, loosen it, you just unclamp it, and you want to make sure it's kind of turned to the side, so when you go to open it up, it's not still hung up. All right, turn it a little bit. All right, now we'll just lift it up. One fold. If you need to fold it back for the second time, you want to make sure you take the clamps, lay them down flat like that, and they kind of just pop into place to keep it from poking a hole in the vinyl top when you flip it over for the second time. All right, I'm at the other clamp. I'm going to flip that over and snap it into place. Now we can flip the cover over for the second time. All right, it does not fold over one more time so that you can have it standing upright on the back of the cab. That is because it's fastened to the truck bed in the front there. But it does have some screw-on clamps that you can actually unscrew just to take it all the way off if you do want to get it up and out of the way completely. All right, so I'm up under the truck bed cover just so you can see how it clamps on to the truck bed up towards the front of the cab. It's not a flip-off one like the ones towards the front. This one is a threaded kind of type of clamp here. You unthread it. You don't want the clamps up here anyways, the quick clamps. You want it to be threaded on tight. All right, and that just goes up under the truck bed and threads on. Same thing here. You have your different holes up here to select, where you want to set it up for, depending on the amount of big of a lip that you have here on the truck bed. And you can also flip this one back, just like the other one, to secure it in place. All right, and to put it back on, you just do the same thing, reverse of what I just showed you. All right, while I'm under here, I just want to show you, you want to make sure that you have this slid all the way towards the front to get it on the lip of the front of the truck bed, just so you can keep it watertight. There's the weather stripping here. You got to slide that up there and make sure it's on there tight. All right, and then you can just readjust these and clamp them down. You don't have to over clamp them tight, but you want them nice and snug. You don't want to put any extra pressure on the beam of the truck bed cover, but just enough to hold it down tightly and hold it in place. And when you tighten these ones down in the front, you just want to kind of snug them down and tighten them just enough to where you see the cross member of the truck cover just kind of pull in a little bit, and that's about all the tightness you need to put on it. I'll show you right here. Another thing you want to be careful of here, if you do have one of these like vinyl or plastic covers on your truck bed, is you want to make sure that you don't get the, because I just did it right now, you don't want to get that clamp stuck between the actual truck bed and the plastic molding that's on top of the truck. You want to actually make sure it's behind the lip of the metal truck bed. So let me get that done again. All right, just like that, you want to make sure that it's back here behind the metal lip of the truck bed. All right, and once you got those in place, there's really not much to installing it. You just tighten that back down, like I said, until it becomes nice and snug. All right, I can see it drawing the truck bed cover down now, so it's on there as secure as it needs to be. All right, and when it's folded all the way back the second time, you do have these straps that just clip right in here. That holds it in place to keep it from flying up when you're driving down the street. You want to remember to do that. You don't want to be going down the highway and have that thing flip up on you and catch the wind like a sail. All right, so that's snug there, so that's ready to be driven that way, opened up. All right, and just remember to unclick those when you go to fold it back down. Click that, fold it over one time. It doesn't have a clasp to hold it in place when you fold it down the first time. The only clasp on it is in the back when you fold it down the second time. All right, and it's really easy to reattach. Make sure you pop that part back out. All right, fold it down. Take that, make sure you get it under the metal lip of the truck bed. And there you go. It's folded right into place. You get the other one here, right behind the lip. There you go. Now it's secured down. Also want to answer a few questions that you might have about the truck bed cover. Does it require any drilling for installation? No, it doesn't require any drilling. These are the only things that you got to remember to put on properly to install it. So no drilling required. It just installs here with this threaded clamp. All right, is the cover weatherproof? And yes, it is weatherproof. You do have a piece of a bead of weather stripping that goes down all the way that seals tightly to the lip of your truck bed. It's designed to be water resistant and keep out the snow and rain. Can you drive it when it's open? And yes, you can. You just got to remember to take these straps here and clamp it into place when you have it folded back so that the wind doesn't pull it up while you're driving it. And then there you go. You can drive it with it open that way. All right, and another question you might have about it, and one that I was wondering when I first got it, is how do you clean it? How do you keep it clean? It's recommended just to clean it with mild soap and water. It's not recommended to use like a vinyl seat cleaner or something that you use from the auto store because those contain silicone, and silicone over time will start to deteriorate the vinyl and make it crack and start to fall apart. So if you do use some type of vinyl cleaner, you want to check to make sure that it doesn't contain any silicones. All right, so there you go. We got the Tyger soft tri-fold truck bed cover. It's a great cover. I've had it on here for a little over 3 years and haven't had any problems with it.